Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Louie. I'm happy to have you here. So in today's video I'm going to do a wash day and a treatment. So I have not washed my hair in a month, so here I'm just going to wet my hair so I can apply the products. Now I'm going to use the Aussie clarifying shampoo to just rinse off the build-up. Now if you watch my wash days, you realize that I use two shampoos to wash my hair. That's because I use some butters and creams. I'm not going to use a hydrating shampoo in today's video, because I'm going to use a hair treatment mask which will put back the moisture into my hair, so I don't need to use a hydrating shampoo. So I'll just make sure that I rinse off all the shampoo before I apply the hair mask to my hair. So now I'm going to add the Jamaican black castor oil to the mask. I find that this mask has a good consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's just in the middle. It actually has a very good sleep, like you can use it to detangle your hair. I would really appreciate it if you like, comment, share and subscribe. It helps YouTube to push up my videos so a lot more people can see it. Now because I don't have a heated dryer to sit in with a mask in my hair, I am going to keep the mask in for half an hour, and then I'll rinse it off. But first I am going to detangle my hair using a wide tooth comb. So now I'm done with the detangling process. I'm going to rinse off the mask, and then I'm going to add my favorite leave-in cream. So ladies, what plans do you have for summer for your hair? Are you going to do some braids? Are you going to just experiment and just be creative with your natural hair? What plans do you have? Now, because I wet my hair first and then used a hair mask that has a very good sleep in, and then detangled my hair with my fingers before I went in with a wide tooth comb, I did not lose that much hair, as you can see, which is the perfect tip that I can give you for detangling your hair. Bear in mind that I haven't washed my hair in a month, so that's how much hair I lost, which is normal amount of hair to lose after, when washing your hair. So have that in mind, that when you're detangling your hair, make sure that you drench your hair of water, and then add a very good conditioner or pre-poo that has a very good sleep, and then you go in with your fingers first to detangle your hair before you use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair, so that you don't lose a lot of hair to retain length. So I'm twisting my hair as a way to allow my hair to air dry, and also to stretch my hair, because I do not want to use any heat. So you can twist your hair if you want to have that stretched out look, and then if you want, you can use the African thread to stretch your hair, but I'm just going to twist my hair so that I can allow my hair to air dry. And then I'm also going to moisturize my hair later. Now, if you want me to upload a video on how I moisturize my hair, just leave the comments in the comment section. So that is it from me, ladies. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.